All right, so Industrial Sage, this short version of who we are. Long story short, we are a weekly show and podcast of content that we create for sales and marketing individuals in manufacturing companies. We really focus and emphasize on digital marketing and making that transformation. We have a lot of guests that come on to talk about what they've done. These could be your peers in other manufacturing companies. These could be vendors that have software solutions. And we are all focused on the manufacturing space to be able to help answer that challenge of that digital transformation relative to sales and marketing. We also have a services side where the number one question is, hey, we like this. How do we do it? Can you help us? And the answer is yes. So, but you know what? The first and foremost, we want to be able to provide value for you. And so subscribe to our content where we've got videos coming out every single week and blog articles every single week and all kinds of content, surveys, all these great things to be able to help answer that call about transferring your marketing from that traditional sense over to digital.